Number 8.
Tinatago.
Number 8. Ito, sumagasa, binangod.
Atag.
Binayoyo pa. First blood. Recovered by number 8. Titira. Pasok yan. Dalit. Sa gilid.
Open for 3.
Bang! 69 favorite shot. And favorite number dito. Pasok.
Woodback.
Shot. And the second time around.
Number 11.
Nakalusot. Fires. 2. And that's 2 points. Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Karaamid 2024 para sa laban ng Mountain Province at Tabuk City. Para sa mahilig sa Cubs mga idol, order na kayo. Sa comment section lang yung link. Captain Ides Edgar mga idol. Sulit at legit. And jump ball. And ball possession for Team Mountain Province. Number 11. And it's stolen. And here's Team Tabuk. Uy! And here's Team Tabuk for the inbound. Number 16, Baligod passes inside. Ball is stolen. Nagaw yung Baligod. Attacking the rim. Binayoyo pa. First blood for Baligod. And a pass break. And you go fires. Oy! Lucky bounce. Kick it outside. To the middle. Fires. Wala. Rebound number 8 ng Team Mountain Province. Chest pass. Number 8. Recover. One dribble. Fires for a 3. Won't go. Rebound number 7. To the middle. Number 8. Bounce pass inside. Fires off the window by number 7. And here's Baligod. To number 22. Attacking the rim. No hesitation. Lays up. Wala. And rebound. Put back shot of the window and the lucky bounce. Sa friendly roll. For Team Tabuk. And number 11. Diretso. Number 28. To Baligod. Baligod. Oops. And number 9. Pull up J. Wala. Here you go for Team Tabuk. Spin move. Fires. Lays up. Whoa! And here's number 11 for Team Mountain Province. Oop, recover. Keep libre. Put back shot. The savior. Number 22 for 2 points. Number 8 for Mountain Province. Passes inside of the window. Pasok yan. On Baligod. Yun. One-on-one. Coach to coach fires. Wala. Natapalan. Number 8. Diretso. Sumagasa. Number 22. To the middle. Setting the play. To Baligod. Fires for a 3. Wala. Rebound number 6. Pass break ngayon. And fire off the window. And now. And number 1. To number 23. Launch a 3. Wala. Number 16, Baligod. Attacking the basket. Lays up. Wala. Rebound. Put back shot. And that's break ngayon. 1 versus 2. Oop. And here's 3 on 3. Binabitin. Pinasa. Pass back. And kick outside. Aasinta. Di dribble. Number 8. Titira sa 3. Oop. Binasag yung ring. And here's Team Tabuk. Number 23. Number 1. Baligod. Cross pass. Number 23. Open for a 3. Bang! 3 points. And a pass break ngayon. Kick out. Number 6. Kakaldag. Pipilit. Wala. Rebound number 1 for Team Tabuk. And pass to number 22. Babangga spin move. And it's an offensive foul. Number 8. Dribbling the ball to the middle. Matatapikan. Maagawan. Mare-recover. Attack hook. Stop. Pass to number 8. to the middle, number 11. And setting the play pass inside. Muntik ng maagawan. Oh, ang gandang deliver nun. Oh! And miss the shot. And here's Baligod. Pass inside. Ooh, easy basket. 40. And number 6. Lead dribble. Number 6, 15 for 3. Wala. Put back shot. Wala pa rin. 5 for 2. That's the end of. And it's number 11. 14, Mountain Province. Attacking the rim. Tinasa kay number 4. Butat ang inabot. Recovered by number 8. Titira. Pasok yan. Danit. City. Number 23 to the middle. Cross pass to number 23. Sa gilid. Open for 2. Wala. Rebound. And put back shot. Off the window. Pasok yan. And pass break. Baseball pass yun. Titira. Binawi agad. Far off the... in and out. Atake. Coach to coach shot. Pasok yan. Oop. Nakagawan mga idol. It's number 11. Diretso. Oop. Number 16 pass back. Fake and fire. Rebound pa rin. Wala pa rin. Pull up J. Wala pa rin mga idol. Pass break ngayon. Naagawan. Gandang pasa nun. And the finish. The team Mountain Province. Number 11. Pass back. Bounce pass. Number 11 na atake. Fire. Diretso lays up. Too strong. And put back shot. Passes inside. Easy basket. Baligod. Sa gilid. Open for 3. Bang! Number 8. Inatake yung dalawa. Buta ka pero may foul. And still Tabuk. Up by 4. Fires for 3. Wala. Uy. Behind the spin. Again. Pasok. This time matatapikan dito. Number 11 pass inside. Umikot. Fires off the glass. Wala. Maagawan. Reverse layup. For the inbound, there's the favorite number 69. Number 69. Naagawan. May Baligod. 2-on-2 side step. Butata. Passes to the middle. Oops. Naagawan. And Baligod. Pull up J. Manny. Baligod. Long pass. Oops. Number 17. Spin. Fires off the glass. Wala pa rin. Alley-oop pass. Eksakto. Diretso number 69. Favorite shot. And favorite. Open for 3. Too strong. Maagaw dito. Pass. Put back shot. And the second time around. 7. Pull up J. Too strong rebound. Put back shot and connects. 4 seconds left. Basket! Before the shot extra. Pass break, Maagawan. Dire-diretso lays up, wala, rebound, one dribble and fade away shot and down to 4 ang kalamangan mga idol. And long pass, libre and easy basket. Number 11, nakalusot, fires, and that's 2 points. And number 16, Baligod, atake, pass inside, inasa pa, and the feet, Baligod. Long 2, bang, pasok yan. Pass inside, kakaldag, titira, butatang inabot. Number 6 to number 16, take, one dribble and fire, pull up J, wala, rebound number 4, pass 2, and number 11 now nagmamadali, fires, easy basket, nakalusot to, wala, babalik, ititira, wala pa rin, and the rebound still for Team Mountain Province and basket for 2. Number 23 for Team Tabuk, diretso, lays up and a basket. And to the middle. Libre, easy basket again. Nice pass inside. Too strong, pass break, and all alone. Easy basket. Bayog to number 22. Ginitbit part of the glass. Pasok yan. Bounce pass. Number 27 and fires off the glass. Uy, the lucky bounce. Open for 3 fires. Bang! Lupit ni Idol. Take off. Oh! Floater. Rebound. For 2 points. Take. Side step. Traveling. Spins to the middle. Pull up J Money. Nakagawan. Baligod. 2 points. Pass break. Number 1, lays up, easy basket. And here's number 11. Natagig na rin. Diretso 5. Pasok yan. Nalagi bounce. Number 11. And last 1 minute and 8 seconds. Baligod. Fires Money. Number 8, titira sa 3, wala, rebound, Baligod, spin move, fires, basket and 1, Baligod, for 3, that's the end of long pass, take and fire off the glass, and that's stop, too far, wala. Off the glass. Number 11. Nagawan. Na-recover. Libre na sa loob. Wala. Buti na lang si Nave. Pass break. And easy basket. Ang ganda namang play yun. Side step again for 2, number 11. Baligod. Attacking the rim, side step, nakalusot. A beautiful pass break. Create space and fire. Money. Habol si number 8 dito. Side step. Dire-diretso. And may pectus pa. Ooh, nice pass inside. Easy basket. Inulit. And again, easy basket. Back-to-back 2 points. Oh, lucky bounce. Uy. Number 16. Pull up J. Won't go. Put back shot and score yan. Number 8 for 3. Wala. Taligod. Pull up J at the mid-range. Money. Number 8 kakaldag. Kick out for 3. Pass break, number 13. Pass. Basket and 1. Fires off the glass, number 11. Pass break ulit. Easy basket. Pull up J. Ayan, pasok yan, number 22. And lays up. That's the end of the game. Congratulations, Team Tabuk City!